Welcome to the West Autumn Villas. This beautifully clean 4-bedroom, 3-bath villa sits on a waterfront lot. Enjoy the great room with an abundance of lighting from the large floor-to-ceiling windows looking over the pond, and keep warm on cold winter nights next to the 2-way fireplace. You can make amazing meals in the eat-in kitchen with all new stainless steel appliances and Harlan dovetail cabinets. There's breakfast bar seating, a breakfast nook area, plus a hearth area, all on beautiful tile flooring. And just off of the kitchen, you can enjoy more pond views from the screened-in porch and deck. There's a spacious laundry room with under-cabinet lighting, and the master features tons of natural light with large windows and glass block privacy window above the bed. The ensuite features double vanity, shower, and jetted tub with glass block privacy as well. There's a large daylight lower level with a fitness area and tons of unfinished storage space. Make this house your home by calling Rick Widman today.